Hello everyone. Welcome to yours very own Onaris Arts and Lifestyle channel. It is a celebration time today. Do you know why? It is because we are 1000 subscribers today. And I wanted to take this opportunity to thank you all very much for all the love and support that you have showed in making this YouTube channel a success. This channel was actually opened in August 16, 2020, and it has been just 2.5 months since the channel was started, and I never expected to reach this milestone so early. This has happened solely because of your support and love, and I would like to thank each and everyone for everything that you have done so far and giving the comments, showing the encouragement and everything. I would also like to take this opportunity to tell you all that I have lots and lots of ideas to share in this channel. It is not just related to the idol decoration, it is also related to the festival decorations, home interior decorations, arts, gardening, beauty, and various tips as well. So I would like to request you all to support me in the same way that you have done until now, in the future as well, whenever I try to release a video for a new topic. So I wanted to dedicate this particular video to all of the subscribers and all of the viewers of this particular channel. So in this video, I will be showing you about various decorations being done by the subscribers of this channel. And they were so excited to show me, the festival decorations that they have done. And some of them were also asking me for suggestions and so on. It gives me immense pleasure to share their excitement and their artistic work with you all. These decorations were being done by Mr. Arun Kumar for Navratri. He had actually draped the Kalash as various goddesses for each one of the day of Navratri. And I'm very proud to say that he is so artistic, and he has actually inspired me to do a lot more Kalash decorations like this, which I would like to share with you all in the coming days. These decorations were being done on Lalita Parameshwari idol by Mr. Venkatesh C. Mr. Venkatesh has been a very supportive subscriber, and he has been guiding and suggesting new ideas so that I can work on it and share all those ideas with you all. This was also done for the Navratri decorations, and on each one of the days, the Lalita Parameshwari idol has been decorated in different ways to reflect the 9 avatars of Ma Durga. So these decorations were being done by Mrs. Rhythm Bhagat. Do you remember this particular video I had released a few weeks back, where I decorate the mukut with the paint and jewelry? Well, she happened to purchase a similar mukut, and she has used the same technique to decorate it. And she was so excited to show me how it had turned out and how beautiful her mukut is. This one is actually the Karwa Chauth special look for her Ma Durga. And as you can see, Ma Durga is wearing a woolen dress here. It seems that this was actually woven by her grandmother, and it is very special. And I just love the hair over here. It's splendid. and I just cannot take off my eyes from this Durga idol. It is so very beautifully decorated, isn't it? These decorations were being done by Mr. Jiten Doshai. He actually approached me to get my guidance in sari draping for this Lakshmi idol. This idol is made of marble and it's very pretty, and he was actually using chunni to decorate it, and this was a Gujarati style of draping the sari. And since I didn't have chunni, I was not able to make a video on how to drape the sari for a North Indian or a Gujarati style. But Jiten sir, let me just tell you that the way in which you have draped the sari already is very, very beautiful, and you have inspired me to come up with more and more styles and designs to drape the sari for a goddess idol. Thank you so much for sharing your photos. I will try to release a video to actually drape a sari in the North Indian style using chunni in a few days time. So that is all, my dear friends. I hope you have loved this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more such videos in the future. Thank you.